edge of night, a silver horizon bathed in light. Footsteps echo on the frozen sand, guided by a distant unseen hand. Noon is bleeding into dawn, a symphony of shadows drawn. No compass points, no maps to keep, just the promise of the endless deep. Oh, silver horizon, call my name through the fire and through the flame. I'll chase your glow, right going till the end of time begins. The stars are fading one by one, but the journey's never done. A phantom ship on tides unknown,